everybody, just got this in today in the mail. It is a phone holder from Bulletproof Mounting Solutions. Full disclaimer, I reached out to them. I saw their mount on, I don't know, one of the Facebook pages. Someone posted a link about it and was super impressed. I've actually been looking at phone mounts because I've just got an Amazon suction cup mount in my Jeep. My wife has a vector bar and ram mount in her Jeep. And it's just so much nicer, but it's so expensive. So I was looking for alternatives and actually came across these guys. I contacted them and kind of told them the story and asked them if they would be interested in sending me one of these to review for you guys, and they said yes. So this came in the mail today. There's no obligation to, give them a positive review. If it sucks, and I'll let you know. But just from what I've seen on their website and stuff, I'm really excited. So let's find out. All right, instructions, don't need that. Warranty cards, stickers, always good. All right, this is the plate that goes up in the dash. It's got two holders on it. If you'll notice, if you're familiar with the ram mounts, these are a little bit smaller than those. It comes with one arm. They say this is made out of Kevlar and carbon fiber. It's got some heft to it. I really like it. These are aluminum, so we'll see how that goes. This is the phone mount, spring loaded. The thing that I don't like about the ram mount that my wife has in her Jeep is you can't operate it with one hand. It takes two hands to get your phone in there. And I love that this can be done with one hand. So we'll see how that goes. And then for the second option, they include a GoPro holder, which will come in really handy. We'll see how that goes. Or they actually have different arms, longer arms that you can buy if you want to put different things in there. But this kit comes with the phone arm and the GoPro arm. So anyway, I want to get this installed and see how everything works out. So let's go in there. All right, let's get this thing installed. To install this, first let me remove this old suction cup mount because I don't need this anymore. This has been a really good one, but all you have to do, this is on a JK, very similar on a JL from what I've seen. Take out the little rubber tray. Don't need that anymore. And in here is one 8mm bolt. And you will reuse that. Apparently it's a really long one. There we go. There we go, that's it. I'm just gonna set that right there. Now you do need to kind of clean this out from dust. Because on the back there's two adhesive strips, one from the bottom, one for up here. Just gonna remove those. Put this in here so I can get it in position. There. I want to screw this down before I permanently attach this front piece. And there. Screw the rest of this on. All right, now take this arm, there-ish. Leave it a little loose. Take this arm. Put that there. Get that kind of where I want it. There we go. Tighten that down. Man, that feels good. I don't have my phone right now. Oh, wife's phone. Thanks. And tighten that down some more. That's excellent. That held real tight. I want to get it out. Boom. Put it in. Boom.
I like that better than mine.
I like it better than yours too. Yeah, I like this a lot. Let's get the GoPro mount installed. And I am sweating bad. It's hot in this garage. There, GoPro can go there. All right, I'm excited. We'll have some upcoming off-roading videos in the near future and see how this does off-road, but it doesn't wiggle around like my suction cup mount did. And I think that's gonna be amazing. So more to come, but I really like this. Well, I've been running around with this new Bulletproof mounting solutions phone mount in my Jeep for a few days now, and man, I gotta say, this thing is absolutely solid. Super impressed by the build quality and how well it holds the phone. Doesn't budge one bit. Haven't had a chance to use to test the GoPro mount and see those options, but the phone mount is incredible. Wanted to show you a comparison between this and the RAM mount, which is very common. A lot of people have that, and show you why I think this is the superior solution for a lot cheaper price. I forgot to mention in the first part of this video that this kit is right now on their website, I think $67. It shows regularly like $100, but even that would be totally worth it. But yeah, $67 for this kit right now. Super impressed, but let me show you this. Super simple. I mean, this thing doesn't move. Doesn't move a bit. One-handed operation. All right, so this is inside my wife's Jeep, and she has the Vector bar, which gives you a lot of great mounting solutions. She's got two RAM mounts on here. This one for her phone. You can see the arm is attached to the side, and this is a great solution. We've actually really loved this. It's solid. She's got a tablet mount over there for her tablet for navigation. But here's the main reason why, or two reasons why the Bulletproof mounting solutions is the better option. One, these things are solid, but they do have play in them. I'll show you on this one. When they're pitched, that still has movement. It doesn't lock it completely into place. And so the phone can still pivot around. But the main disadvantage to this is, you'll see, there is no way for me to get this phone out one-handed. So if I'm driving and I need my phone for something or whatever, I've got to have two hands to get this phone out, because you have to pinch these and then take the phone out. And there's just no way to do this one-handed. Maybe okay, maybe like that, but then I can't put this back in. There's no way maybe, nope. So that to me is the number one drawback to the ram mounts. And these things are expensive. I mean, this whole setup here, I don't even remember, but that's stupid expensive. I think just the mount of the arm, the bar mount alone costs more than my solution. So if you're in the market for a phone holder, check out the Bulletproof mounting solutions.